What's up guys, is Danny, and this is a different kind of video. If you are a subscriber on my channel, you already know I love Apple. Apple. Everything's Apple. iPhone, iPad, several Macintoshes. But you also know that I'm a gamer. We stream, and by we I mean me and David DeFranco, Julian, Michael Pacheco, Eric, Otter, also known as Taylor, and a few others who don't really game with us very much anymore, but that's fine. We're, not all of us, but I would say 4 of us so far are doing PC builds. That would be me, David, Otter, and Julian. In fact, Otter and Julian already have their PCs built, but I think they're still upgrading theirs a little bit. Anyway, let's get to the point of this video. This, right next to me, is my PC build. And I gave her a name. Her name is Mercy, okay? This is the first time I've ever named a computer anything. This is Mercy. Why is she called Mercy? Mercy on Overwatch is white with black accents. White with black accents. Currently in Mercy, however, is an HP motherboard that is proprietary from 2012 that is not staying in here. I thought I'd try it out just to see if it was a good motherboard. It's not. It's junk. So that will be ripped out and replaced with the Gigabyte Z270X Designaire motherboard. Lights up blue. It takes LGA 1151 chips from Intel. So with that, okay, not done. With that board is this. This is the 7th generation Core i7 unlocked i7 770K LGA 1151 processor. VR ready. It also does 4K. So that was not cheap. And I picked up one of these. This is the Cooler Master Gemini M4. Not gonna keep it. This is actually going back to Micro Center because this will not keep the Core i7 that cool. This thing runs hot. I'm gonna need something more dramatic than that. So I'm looking at the Thermal Take. I don't even know what it is, but it's a radiator and it's got 3 RGB fans that go right here. So and that'll keep the i7 liquid cooled, very cold. So which is what it needs to run efficiently. So this is my build. The case is a Thermal Take P3, and I did not clean the glass. I apologize if you can see smudges. Thermal Take P3 Snow White Edition open air case. Very cool. And I will do some pan shots. With it, I do have the Thermal Take Tough Power Grand Series 850 watt RGB power supply. Couldn't think of the word, power supply. Oh, I drew a blank there. And it's modular, so you only use what you need, which is very nice. This is a very nice build. It's gonna be very clean. It's gonna run well. It's gonna run cool. It's gonna run fast. And I should be able to game with, I should be able to play anything, honestly. This is better than a PS4. This is better than the Xbox One. It's got some insane specs. So what I don't have yet, I still need RAM and a video card. So I am looking at, I have these on my phone. I am looking at, here's what I'm gonna get. That's, oh my goodness. I just upgraded iOS 11. All these pop-ups. I know how to use the phone, got it. I know how to use the phone. Anyway, Thermal Take. This will focus. Maybe it won't. Anyway, there's the radiator I'm getting, which is very nice. Very cool. Literally very cool. And let's see. Also gonna get a Samsung, is it Evo? Yeah. Samsung 850 Evo Series 500 gig SATA SSD for this build as well, which will be tucked behind here. You won't even see it, it's gonna be back here. By the way, there's a panel behind here that opens up where all the guts are. So, and this is not the best at cable management, but that'll be fixed by the time this thing's built all the way. So, it's gonna be very nice. So, I love the open air concept. You know, just air just flows right through. Obviously, if you have kids or pets or whatever, if you live in Florida, this will get wet if there's a hurricane, obviously. But I live in Kansas, where we just have tornadoes, so. Anyway, getting back to it, you notice there's no place for a DVD, Blu-ray, or anything. I mean, yeah, I could probably add one to it, but let's be honest, not going to, don't need them. I have an external, one of those if I need any sort of CD-ROM, which I doubt I will. So all my games are gonna be downloaded from the internet straight to the PC. No need to spin anything. So, but yeah, this is Thermal Take's open air case. I fell in love with it. I was set on buying Corsair when I walked into the store, and I walked out with a Thermal Take. But Corsair, while they have amazing cases, this case blew me away, and it was only 110, I think, something like that. So anyway, I'm gonna have the full, specs of what I have and what I'm going to buy for this PC in the description below. So if you want to check it out, there you go. So this is phase 1. I'm gonna have an update video when I have the rest of the components, and that'll be called phase 2. I just wanted you guys to meet Mercy. She's going to be quite the machine. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the awkward camera angles that I've had this whole time, but kind of hard to film me and the PC in the same frame. This is the best I could do. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And yes, if you're wondering, there is going to be lots of lights blinking or RGB. This fan's RGB, so it's gonna glow lights below. And the motherboard that is in this box has blue lights that glow too. If I didn't already say that, I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.